everyone, welcome back to Global Bhasha Academy. So today we will be learning the very most important topic of learning a new language, that is grammar. So let's begin. Today's topic is nominative. Nominative case. ये एक सबसे पहला केस है जर्मन लैंग्वेज का. इससे अलावा बाकी 3 और केसेस होते हैं, that is nominative, which we will be learning in today's video, then accusative, then dative and then genitive. These are the 4 cases जिन पर German grammar पूरी depend करती है. So let's start. First is Einführung. Einführung is introduction. Erster grammatischer Fall. Erster grammatischer Fall bedeutet means the first grammatical case. Now let's give a look at what this nominative case consists of. Personal pronomen. First is personal pronomen. That is personal pronouns. In Deutsch, ich, du, sie, es, wir, ihr, sie. And the meaning in English is ich means I, du means you. This du is informal. And then is he, sie is she, es is it, wir means we, ihr means you, formal. Then sie is for they. So these are the personal pronouns of nominative. If we will be learning other cases like accusative, dative and genitive, उनके personal pronouns अलग होते हैं. Like accusative में ish changes to mish, do changes to dish, तो उनके personal pronouns अलग. Okay, so here we are having articles. It is first bestimme article, which means definite articles. There are 3 types of articles in German language. First is der, die, das, and this die is for plural case, like a thing which is more than a one. That's it. Then, but these articles depend on the genders, which is genus. This depends on the gender. As there is for masculine. Masculine is like for males, you may use. But this is an exceptional case. ये बस एक कहने वाली बात है क्यों में से. We have to learn article for every specific thing in German language. So, for Beispiel, but the meaning will remain same for these all, which is the, der means the, die means the, das means the, and this die also means the. For example, der Baum ist grün. The tree is green. Hereby we are only talking about a specific thing. सिर्फ हम यहाँ पर एक ही चीज़ की बात कर रहे हैं जो कि एक tree है जिसका कलर green है. So der Baum is grün. Then die, which is for feminine, for female basically. But this is an exceptional case again. Die Übung ist leicht. Die Übung ist leicht, which means the exercise is easy. Then das is for neutral cases, which is das Kissen ist weich. Das Kissen is weich. The pillow is soft. Then die, this is for plural. Die Teller sind rund. The plates are round. वैसे टेलर का आर्टिकल इज der Teller, बट यहाँ पर हम सिर्फ एक चीज़ की बात नहीं कर रहे. Hereby we are using this word sind, are round. यहाँ पर हम एक से ज़्यादा प्लेट्स की बात कर रहे हैं. That is why इसका आर्टिकल changes to die here. Okay, so now let us give a look on unbestimmte article, which is indefinite articles of nominative case. Article this ein, in सबका meaning will be a in English. So genuinely, basically, it depends on the definite articles. जो अभी हमने पढ़े थे, der. अब जिस भी वर्ड का आर्टिकल der होगा और हमारे को लेकिन सेंटेंस अ से बनाना है. Like computer has article der computer. So it depends on the actual article. Der Computer will changes for undestined article in ein Computer. Ein Computer is not wendisch, which means a computer is necessary. So उस पर डिपेंड करता है कि इस वर्ड का एक्चुअल आर्टिकल क्या है, तो हम क्या लगाएंगे. Der changes to ein, die changes to eine, das changes again to ein, and in last plural में there is no plural case in this unbestimmt article. Then eine means a again, it is feminine, and eine Couch is nützlich, which means a couch is useful. Then ein neutral case, and Haus ist groß, a house is big. हाउस का आर्टिकल इन जनरल इंडेफिनिट आर्टिकल्स इज das हाउस, तो इसीलिए इसके आगे आईना है. A house is big. Then kein plural, जिसमें इसमें कोई प्लूरल नहीं लगेगा क्योंकि a means एक चीज़ ना, और plural means many things. तो Wolken sind weiß, clouds are white. So these all are the unbestimmt article, and one thing which we have to only remember is the article of the actual word जिसके बाद हम, जिससे पहले हम ये आई नाइना लगाएंगे, उसका एक्चुअल आर्टिकल हमारे को पता होना चाहिए इसके. Yeah, so this is all about for nominative case. If you learned nominative in a good and better way, so then just go to like, share and subscribe, and yeah, don't forget to comment down below. Bye.